Hello students. So we have discussed about psychology and sports. I've explained briefly about that thing, psychology and about psychology to you. So today we'll be discussing about personality, its definitions. Okay? So how what is personality? Okay? What is personality? Definition as a personality is sum total of one's behavior. We have earlier discussed about that psychology is a science of behavior. Okay? And how you behave in daily routine shows your personality. Okay? Suppose meaning of personality, that is definition given. Personality is made up of characteristic patterns of thoughts, feeling and behavior that makes a person unique. Characteristic patterns of thoughts, कि how he thinks, कि how he execute the things. वो किवें सोचदा है, ਉਹਦੀ सोच किवें है, is a negative thoughts or positive thought. ठीक है जी. So difference is there. Everything can be, anything can be taken in a positive way. Anything can be taken in a negative way. Suppose I'll give you one example. There was one interview going on. Harsha Bogle was taking an interview of Wasim Akram. Wasim Akram, you might be knowing that he is a great Pakistani bowler, world known. So there was one more player in his team. At that time, his name was Waqar Younis. Harsha Bogle asked him, Wasim Akram, कि don't you feel jealous, or were you jealous at that time कि when Waqar Younis used to play with you inside the game? ठीक है, because Waqar Younis was also world renowned, world fastest bowler. He was also having a great technique and bowling skills. What, don't you feel jealous about Waqar Younis? Harsha Bogle asked. Then Wasim Akram replied. He said, I was jealous. Harsha Bogle said, you are such a great person, how can you be jealous? And I was jealous, but jealousy was in a positive way. Jealousy was in a positive way. Means I used to think in a positive manner that I'll bowl better than Waqar. I'll take more wickets than Waqar. I'll practice more in nets than Waqar Younis. So I converted that thing into a positive energy. We were he said we were teammates. So it is up to you how you think. Either team cho kada do mere to tagda kyun ho sakta because he was a senior player. No, he didn't do that. He said he was an inspiration. That new bowler has come in my team. I will practice more than him. So it was a person. He was a Sachin Tendulkar. Any person says anything to him during sledging and all that in the game, you know that cricket. He never used to say anything to him. He never used to say anything. Then opponent people used to be very much quiet after saying something to him, or he never used to say anything. Okay? So personality is a pattern of thoughts. How you take your things. Okay? Feelings. What feelings you are having towards others? Good feelings, bad feelings, or every time you are pretending to be good but you are not good at from heart. Okay? You can't have dual face in this world now. People are very much clever now. Okay? People are very sharp minded. Now they can come to know very easily that you are not, your feeling towards them are not good. Okay? Next is, and behavior that makes a person. Basically it's a behavior. How you behave inside the ground, how you behave inside your house, how you behave in the society, how you as a student, how you behave inside the school, how you behave inside the class, how you behave with your classmates. Behavior can't be changed that now he is aggressive at home, he is not aggressive at outside. No. So personality is that. ठीक है जी. Even twins are not having same personality. Even twins. हो सकता है गुस्से वाला एक शांत हो. ठीक है. So personality cannot be defined or it cannot be measured. ठीक है. You can only judge कि what is the personality of that. Personality doesn't mean कि ਉਹਦੇ ਕੱਪੜੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਚੰਗੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਆ, he is very smart. It's a different thing. It's another definition of personality. कि everything which he wears suits him or her. That is not a definition of personality. अंदरों personality के by heart, from the soul. ठीक है जी. So there almost every day we describe and assess the personality of the people around us. We keep on judging. यार ये बंदा चंगा है, ये बंदा माड़ा है, ये बंदा बहुत माड़ा है, ये बहुत चंगा है. We keep on assessing from daily routine, from this media, social media. They keep on this person is bad. That makes up your mind. Myth we were talking about in last topic. In earlier we have studied. It becomes a myth कि यार ये माड़ा ही होना. So we describe and start assessing his personality. Whether we realize or not, these daily usings on how and why people behave as they do is similar to what personality psychologists do. While our informal assessments of personality tend to focus more on individual personality, psychology tend to use to conception of personality can be applied to everyone. Personality research has led to development of number of theories that help to explain how and why certain personality traits develops. So, for personality, I can give you many examples. Suppose we will take the example of Shri Guru Gobind Singh. Great personality. No one can match his personality in this world. Guru Sikhe. ठीक है जी. There are many examples. ठीक है. In the history of Shri Guru Gobind Singh, he was a man of character. He was a man of words. So there are many examples ki how people used to describe his personality. Then I'll give you one example कि ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਦੋ ਸਾਹਿਬਜ਼ਾਦੇ ਸੀ ਚਮਕੌਰ ਦੀ ਲੜਾਈ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ what happened ਕਿ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਸ਼ਹੀਦ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਵੱਡੇ ਸਾਹਿਬਜ਼ਾਦੇ. ਕੀ ਹੋਇਆ? ਦਿਆ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਜੋ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਲੱਕ ਤੇ ਬੰਨਿਆ ਸੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੱਟਿਆ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੱਪੜਾ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਸਾਹਿਬਜ਼ਾਦਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਪਾਤਾ. What Guru Gobind Singh ji replied, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਦਿਆ ਸਿੰਘ ਇਹ ਤੂੰ ਕੀ ਕੀਤਾ? What you have done? He said कि Guru ji, these are your sons, so I am putting white cloth on them so that they are faced. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਦਿਆ ਸਿੰਘ, if you are having that much of cloth, कि these all are my sons, ਜੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਇੰਨਾ ਕੱਪੜਾ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਤੇ ਪਾ ਦੇ, ਨਹੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਵੀ ਚੱਕ ਲੈ. Different personality, ਦੇਖੋ different thoughts. One more thing I have studied somewhere कि ਛੋਟੇ ਸਾਹਿਬਜ਼ਾਦੇ ਜੋ ਦੂਜੇ ਨੰਬਰ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਛਾਤੀ ਮਿਲ ਰਹੀ ਸੀ. He was measuring chest of his second wala son, and the soldiers which were those who were with him, he said कि गुरु जी what you are doing? He said कि मैं देख रहा कि ये छोटी छाती किन्ने तीर खा लूगी. Look at him कि जंग दे मैदान देखो. The same traits that his four sons were having. They were also having a very strong brain and determination. ਜਿਵੇਂ ਇੱਕ ਸ਼ਾਇਰ ਨੇ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਕਿ ਸਾਹਿਬਜ਼ਾਦਾ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਵਾਲੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਅੱਬਾ ਇਹ मुस्लिम पीपल हैव रिटन दिस कि अब्बा मुझे छोटे साहबजादे सेकंड वाले ये कहते अब्बा मुझे जंग के मैदान में जाना है. आई एम गिविंग यू एग्जांपल ऑफ अ पर्सनालिटी विच मेक्स अ पर्सन यूनिक कि अब्बा मुझे जंग के मैदान में जाना है. गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जी पूछते उन्होंने ही आस्क्ड हिम कि तुम्हें लड़ना आता है? कहते अब्बा मुझे लड़ना नहीं आता तो मुझे मरना तो आता है. मीन्स I'll go in that battlefield and die rather than sitting in this room or any place. This is the determination. Do you have in that? Do you have that personality? No. Can you do something for anything, any person? No. Such a mother him. Now personality is changing. He has given everything for people. Mother, 4 sons, father. Dekho. So these are the examples of great personality. ये तो आनी ही बंद हो गया. Now people of these traits are born in this world. ठीक है. चलो ये तो होगी दरवेश वाली गल. They were gurus. ठीक है जी. इन्होंने कोल बहुत शक्तियां सीगियां, बहुत जानी जान सी. He was a great orator. He was a great soldier. ठीक है जी. So now we will come to worldly things. दुनियावी चीज़ां जिवें दुनियावी गल्लां करिए आपां आम लोकां दी गल करो जिहड़े we'll talk about Napoleon Bonaparte. जिहड़ी दुनियादारी दी गल. I'm not comparing Guru Gobind Singh with them. He was a darvesh. He was a god. He is a god. Wasn't he? He is a god. So we'll talk about Hitler, Mahatma Gandhi, Napoleon Bonaparte. They were having a different personality. Every person is having a different personality. So they are having name in this world also. I read somewhere when Hitler used to one Hitler one person in the group, a huge crowd was there. He asked him, "What you have earned?" Hitler said, "Jump." The person jumped from that first balcony. Means people are ready to die for. Means he was such an influential person. ठीक है जी. So many people are there in this world. ठीक है जी. If you are talking about world leaders, we can say about Nelson Mandela. The people who are working as a CEOs, Bill Gates. ठीक है. So these are also, they are very great leaders. They are inspiration for many. ठीक है. So ये चीज़ां बहुत काउंट करती हैं कि how you behave and how you are taking your life. If you are taking your life very seriously, ठीक है जी, like what I gave you example of studies, take these things seriously also. This is part of your life. Because this is the investment parents are doing in you people. After 5 years, देखो, these 5 years, if you will work hard, these 2 years, now you are in +2, after +1 or +2, after 2 years, 3 years, when do you be doing your graduation? You will be into a new era. Life change हो जानी है, नौकरियां करनियां पैणगियां. Very. So if you work hard, you can get very good jobs. So it's up to you how you behave, how you develop yourself. ठीक है. So there are many examples I have given you of personality. So next is what is the definition of personality? Personality is the sum total of one's behavior. कि अपन कैलकुलेट कि total sum कि how a person behaves in daily routine. It is his personality, shows his personality. Well, there are many difficult theories of personality. The first step in understanding exactly is meant by term personality. The word personality itself seems from Latin word persona, which refer to theatrical mask worn by performers in order to either project different roles or disguise their identities. The brief definition would be that personality is made up of characteristic patterns of thought, feelings and behavior we have discussed earlier and make a person unique. In addition to this, personality arises from within the individual, remains fairly consistent throughout his life. Means what personality you have developed. ठीक है, in initial years it can stay with you for your entire life. If you are having a very hard working personality, or we can say that you are full of energy, zeal, then you can achieve anything in the world. ठीक है. So it's your hard work. ठीक है. So there are many definitions written in your book, but I have given you one definition. Personality is sum total of one's behavior. You can write this definition. It's a very easy definition. These definitions do not define personality completely. These definitions explain meaning of personality. All the characteristics of personality like physical, mental, social, intellectual, emotional, etc. individual included in personality. These all characteristics we'll be discussing in upcoming topics like personality like physical personality, mental personality, social personalities, intellectual personality, emotional, etc. included in personality. ठीक है? So we'll be discussing about dimensions of personality now. Dimensions of personality. This is my advice to you. You must purchase book और book अपनी खोलो ते आप आ करो. First is energy. You might have seen कि great leaders in the world they possess very high level of energy. ठीक है जी? Ratan Tata, Bill Gates. I have given you example of Guruji's also. कि their energy was different. Positive energy only. People मतलब कि लोग नुहार बदल देते हैं. Their thoughts, their feelings, their energy level, they can fight for 8 hours, 10 hours. रब दा नाम लेना. ठीक है. So these things. So energy. I'll give you example of Ratan Tata, Bill Gates. ठीक है. If they are famous, if they are rich, they might be having some qualities. Their personality might be very good, or it is good. ठीक है जी. So you can go through the book की the subjective meaning of strength and intensity of personality, which is very tangible to observation experience, but extremely difficult to define and measure. Great personality in politics. देखो politics also. You can talk about very great leaders of India. Any leader. If I won't name anyone. If they are famous, they have reached at one place because they were having a very good personality. I'll talk about our area like what Gyani Jal Singh was there. We'll talk about Freeport. Gyani Jal Singh was a great leader. He was having such a he was a very low docile. Means he never used to lose his temper at any cost. So business, even in arts, also invariably describe high energy people. I'll give you example of Sardar Gurchand Singh, our principal UC, director sir. He is having a tremendous amount of energy. He comes in the morning and he sits in the office for 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours. He keep on taking rounds inside the school. Every work he see what kind of work is going on inside the school. So this is the example of energy. Energy, the first personal dimension of energy, the person, great leader have very good energy. Next is direction. He goes in proper direction. Means he has one aim. I have to go in that direction and achieve something. This effort of a personality and motives, intention, actions. He makes up his mind that I have to achieve this target. I have to go in this direction and prove well. Then he achieves. Good leaders, they used to achieve and they are achieving also. In common parlance, whether person is good or bad. It is written in your book what kind of personality he might be having, in which direction he wants to go, in good direction or bad direction. Next is values. Values also plays a very great role. What are the moral values of yours? What are the moral values? Moral values kehdi honi chahiye? You should respect the elders. You should respect the people. If you are a great leader, you should have every knowledge about that thing. Your people, if you are a politician, you must have proper knowledge about your area. So refer quite literally to which the most valuable person if direction is horizontally measured for good or bad. Values are vertical, measure higher, lower. Selfness is high, selfness is center, motive, force, or low. The fuller discussion and illustration of personal values, see values and personal values, means whether he is working for himself or people. If you are a leader, means the definition of leader means who works for others, betterment for others. If you are working for yourself only, कि मैं तो अपने लिए काम करना, मैं तो पैसा अपने लिए कमाना, then there is no such thing, word like value means. ठीक है जी? So values, moral values should be there properly. That also judges the personality. Next is strength. Strength doesn't mean that a person is able to lift up 100 kg of weight. No. Strength is physical strength and mental strength. People like Bhagat Singh, they're a great example. उन्होंने कोई तोड़ नहीं सकिया मनु, ना दिमागी तौर पे मनु. I forgot to give an example of Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev. What they have thought, or what they have, they thought कि determination है, जो भी काम किया they have done with full determination. ठीक है जी? They laid their life for us. ठीक है जी? So what kind of mental strength they are having? There are many examples written in your book like Napoleon, Goethe, Churchill, Gandhi. They are great leaders. ठीक है जी? डांडी मार्च किया, बड़े मार्च के कितने हज़ार किलोमीटर की वॉक की थी महात्मा गांधी जी ने. So many people were behind him for that cause, to get freedom. ठीक है? Next is consciousness. Consciousness means कि अपना ज़मीर अलाउ नहीं करना. That this refers to relative development of predominance of physical, vital and mental parts or level of consciousness. That physical consciousness related to body, physical needs, material things which is fixed in fixed and given credence only do here. But देखो, what your conscience is allowing. ठीक है? कि you should have these physical, you should have love for these material things. नाशवान चीज़ों वास्ते लालच करते हैं. People are having greed for these things. Like what कि किसी मतलब कि कारां दा लालच है, किसी ਨੂੰ पैसे ਦਾ ਲਾਲਚ है, materialistic things ਦਾ ਲਾਲਚ है. So वो physical हो गया, vital हो गया, conscious related to nervous and emotional center, energy, sensation, feeling. कि साढ़े की desires ने, साढ़े sensation, feelings की है towards others. ठीक है जी? Mental, conscious related to ideas, ideals, capacity for thinking, analyzing, understanding. और mental है कि if you are a very good leader, if you are having a very good personality, you must be having that capacity to think or analyze कि what has gone wrong. Am I doing good or bad? This is up to you. कि whatever things I am doing, whether I am doing wrong or not, the person must be having understanding of that thing. ठीक है? He should have understanding of everything what he is doing. Personality also refers to that. Organization, planned initiative. The personality, the person who is a good personality person, we can say the example that the person who plans everything in advance and then initiate the things. But if we go without any planning, then it can go bad. The things can not be fulfilled properly. So next is depth. The human personality can be viewed only as an onion of skin. देखो what example they have given. कि might have seen onion. There are many layers of onion. They said the person is also having a same personality. अंदर तो कोश है, बाहर तो कोश है. कि he can be having a different kind of personality. कि he might be good, he might be bad, he can be mediocre, he is selfish, he might not be having good emotions. So they say that layers of surface behavior, interior depth. We have referred elsewhere to several stages in the formation of personality under the terms of manners, behavior, characteristic, personality, individuality. So they said that there is every person is different from others. So it can be that layers, example they have given that if they can, person can be like that layers of onion, कि ऊपर तो सॉफ्ट हो गया, फिर अगली लेयर हो रहा है, थर्ड लेयर हो रहा है, फोर्थ लेयर हो रहा है. So you have to see that what kind of personality you want to develop. You have to identify yourself. As in yoga we have कि self realization and self purification. अपने आप ਨੂੰ realize करो, अपने आप ਨੂੰ ਤੇ अपने आप ਨੂੰ अपने purify करो, perfect करो अपने self realization and self perfection. ਆਪਾਂ ਦੂਜਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਠੀਕ ਤਾਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਚ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਕਰੀਏ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. We should have positive thoughts, we should have positive feelings in the society. You might have observed in the Facebook and all that कि if one person has started writing wrong anything, the people start commenting beneath that. No one writes positive comments. This is society. So you must have unique personality, good personality, so that people should say that he is a very good person, he is a well behaved person. ठीक है जी. So with this we have completed this topic, what is personality and dimensions of personality. So next topics we'll be discussing later. Chalo, thank you very much. Study hard.